As a duty manager here at the Eden project, I'm in charge of daily operations, so I can respond to situations no matter where they are on the site, and I have to be there quite quickly for a resolve. Here at Eden we have miles and miles of footpaths, roads and bridleways, and using the Twizy means that I can get to a situation very quickly no matter what terrain it's on. The Twizy is great fun to drive, and it does gain an awful lot of attention from our visitors, which is a great way to put a message across about electric vehicles.
I work with the site-wide live crew here at Eden. We put on all the seasonal events like Easter, Christmas and Proud Eden. Proud Eden is a celebration of LGBTQ culture. We have spoken word artists, poets, authors, musicians and 2 amazing exhibitions as well. It's great that Renault have wrapped this car in rainbow colours for us in support of Proud Eden. It's been super handy. I love it because it's been everywhere with me. Went to Cornwall Pride, in the parade, and it's just great for getting around this huge site.